Hey folks, had a request. Somebody wanted to see the Chrysler Pacifica with the bug guard on it, or the bug deflector, sorry, on it, after I put it on. So I just wanted to show you so you could see what it looks like. There's the top view of it and the side view. And the front view again. So there you go. Kind of see what how it looks and what's going on there, and go from there. So I guess if you have any questions or if you have any requests, there we go. 2017 Chrysler Pacifica with the bug guard on it, and this is a continuation video of the installation guide that I did for it because it was an issue. Anyways, and this is obviously this much time passed and it's still holding up very well, and I'm very happy with it. Anyways, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and please like and subscribe. Thanks guys, talk to you later. Bye.